How to set one-handed mode to gestures or button on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then scroll down and tap on advanced features. After that, scroll down and tap on one-handed mode. Tap on the left-hand side panel. Then make sure you switch it on so that this part become enable at the bottom here. From here, you can choose gesture or button. For gesture, you can swipe down at the top here. This will open up one-handed mode using gesture. For button, you can tap on the home button twice to open one-handed mode. Tapping anywhere outside here will close one-handed mode. And finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.